Hello there, my name is Sofia Bee and my beauty channel is at Beauty by Sofia Bee, and I'm here with Beauty Inspired, and I'm going to show you how to create from nothing into this super easy daytime kind of like smoky eye, yet just to make your eyes really stand out. And I created this look literally just using the kind of like a charcoal, brown type of shadow. Yes, shadow, absolutely. So you don't have to sit and create crazy eye look that takes forever. No, we're actually gonna do it super easy. We're just gonna take this color, tap it, and we're gonna look, okay, you're never gonna do this because guess what? If you're gonna do this, and for example, I myself, I have hooded eyes. There is no way I'm gonna create the look like this where it doesn't touch my hooded eyes, where it's like the lid going down, right? So we're actually gonna look like this. I always say, pretend you are a Queen Elizabeth and you're looking like this. Yes, absolutely. Do it. I just really encourage you to do it because you will see the difference. This is what I teach every day, all day to all my students. And when they do this trick, things just become magic. So you're gonna look down, and that way you can really get to this lash line. Do you see what I'm saying? Really get to this lash line, because when you do this, basically you're making your lashes super thick and beautiful and longer, like than they really are. And do you see, we're only concentrating only on the lash line. So you really want to stop right here. You don't want to go all the way here because you're going to close your eyes. So really want to just pay attention right to this lash line, and that's it. And then just tiny bit you want to flick, kind of like you're creating almost like your own liner, but you're using the shadow. See what I mean? And just really just go back and forth, short strokes. Don't do this and this, because if you're gonna do that, you're not really gonna create this particular just a very soft diffused look. And then just tiny bit right here, just tiny bit. Thank you so much for watching, and come back for more awesome tips.